back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a shoe unboxing from Torrid for wide width shoes. I got paint on me because I just went painting, y'all. Don't mind that, it's paint. But what was I saying? Oh, we're going to be doing a wide width shoe unboxing slash haul slash try on. Okay, so if this is your first time to my channel, my name is Danielle and I'll give you a second to subscribe to me. Did you do that? Okay, period. So like I said, I just went painting. I want to show you guys my painting I made. Look how cute. Okay, so I got some shoes from Torrid, like fall booties, things like that. Now there were so many cute shoes I've seen, but they're all sold out in my size. I don't know why, because I thought I ordered them like pretty early in the season, but I guess they just sell out fast because none of the shoes I actually wanted I got. I just settled with a couple pair, honestly, but they're still cute. So I'm gonna be going over what shoes I got, and I'm also gonna do a try on portion as well. So I didn't even look at these yet. I just took them out of the box. Okay, so if you never shopped at Torrid, like for shoes, it is all their shoes are wide width, but if you have bigger feet like me, like, and especially wider feet, you know that if shoes say wide width, a lot of times they're not like true wide width. But Torrid, if you're looking for some cute shoes that are actually wide width, Torrid's the place to go. Okay, so this is what the shoe looks like. I'll put like the screenshot of what it looks like on the website. On these bracelets, gotta go. One sec. But yeah, I'll put the screenshot of the website on the screen so you guys can really see what it looks like. But literally, I had this shoe before. I think I got it from the shoe department before, but this one is definitely, you could tell it's a little bit well made. Okay. Ooh, how much was these? Okay, they were $65.50, but I did not pay that much. I promise you I won't pay that much for this shoe. But okay, it is a suede shoe though, and I was about to say, I don't even know, I lost my train of thought. It's suede and it's a wedge, but like I said, I had these shoes before and they're very, very comfy. So if I don't do heels, so if you're like me, you want to dress your shoe but you don't do the heels, this is definitely perfect, and it's not too high. So that's another thing I like about this as well. And it's just like the perfect fall booty because it's like you can dress this up or down. I really like this shoe. I literally buy it every year from Shoe Depot, but I thought I would get it from Torrid this year because I was hoping maybe it will last a little bit longer, which it probably will. So I'm gonna do try on portion for this shoe. These are what the shoes look like on, y'all. I could not find a better spot to film this in, so hopefully you can see it. I know the lighting isn't that great in here, but you get the picture. Super cute, super easy to get on. Also, like, I still have room in it, and you know, I have a fat ass foot, so if you're worried about them not being wide enough, they are. Okay, I have so much room in these. I was able just to slide them on. Just super cute, dressy shoes for the fall. I was too lazy to tie it. Then, since I got a black shoe, I did get a tan shoe as well. So this is what this one looks like. This is so cute. This is really, really cute. Again, this is that suede material, and it's kind of pointier at the top, which is cute. The heel on this, honey, it is, see, now it's a heel because this is very tall for me. Like I said, I don't do heels, but like to me that's a tall heel, but it is a block heel, so I feel like it still won't be uncomfortable to walk in, like for if you're wearing it for a long time. So I mean, that's the good thing about it, but it is very high. Like I can tell it's gonna be high for me because I'm not used to wearing heels like this, honey. But whatever, it's still cute, and I feel like it won't be uncomfortable since it is that block heel. And this one, it has a zipper in the back if you need a little extra room to put on, which I like that because, you know, the ankles are stick on me, honey, so I need that extra room, okay? So this is really cute. I would only dress this up. I mean, you could dress this down as well, but this is really cute for like a date night. You need a cute booty with some jeans. This will be really, really cute. So I'm gonna do try on portion for this one. You know, these are the tan ones. Like I said, these are like higher than I'm used to. But it's still really cute. I walked in them a little bit. They are comfortable. Now I will say these are a little bit more snug. I had to zip the zipper down in the back to get them on. But like I said, I have very wide feet, so if I can fit these, I'm sure you can, okay? So these are really cute. They're definitely dressier. I wouldn't dress these down. A nice tan cardigan, some jeans maybe if you wanted to. I like these though. Ooh, and this look forward, no honey. But these are definitely a look for the fall. So that's it for the shoes, guys. I only got 2 pair. Literally, I wanted to do like a whole haul because I needed new winter like booties and cute shoes for the winter. But unfortunately, I didn't have my size in a lot. I may be doing another haul soon once Torrid restocks. If they do, I hope they do, because I need more shoes. So just watch out for another video. But thank you guys so much for watching. And if you watched till this point, I hope you subscribed. Okay? All right, I'll see you guys next video. Peace.